We are starting our fresh new series where we'll take interview questions asked in big MNCs, start from basic to advanced. So you don't need to check any other videos or any other PDFs. We'll provide curated notes as well. Uh, we promise that I think after you follow this series, you will not need to check any other questions. Let us check our another interview question, which is what is inheritance. I know that many of you will be aware about what is inheritance, but let me quickly tell you those some real-time examples so that you can convince interviewer that you know the OOPS concept, which is very important concept of inheritance. So just quickly check out. Inheritance allows one class to inherit properties of and behaviors of another class. Like as you can see the example I have given over here. Class vehicle has a start method, and class bike extend vehicle, which is having its own write method. So in that case, the class bike can extend the property and methods of the class vehicle, which is start method we can call by using the reference of the bike class. Okay. So I think you must be aware that inheritance is also called as easy relationship. Okay. Also called as easy relationship. And inheritance is achieved by using extends keywords. Correct. Extends. This is a keyword, right? Here we are using extending the vehicle properties, correct? So it is achieved by using extends keywords, and main advantage of inheritance is reusability. Like you can see here, right? We don't need to write start method again and again. We can simply extend this start method in any of any other classes if we need that, right? Suppose let me tell you one example. Suppose we are writing a banking application and in which for the loan. So there are different models like personal loan, vehicle loan, suppose housing loan, right? Each of them have 900 methods, suppose 900 methods. Okay. Before using inheritance, we have to write approximately 70 method, right? 2700 methods, correct? Suppose if 100 methods of each are common methods. Okay, so we are writing 100 methods each time in each and every class. These are common methods such as calculating some of the calculating formulas and like that. Suppose calculating interest rate. Okay, so what we can do is we can write that 100 methods in loan class. Okay, and we'll just inherit that loan class in P loan, B loan, and S loan. So here we have to write only 800 methods. Correct. Likewise, we can save writing 300 methods of these classes. Okay, so we'll reuse that 100 methods of loan class in each of our class. Okay, so that's enough of theory. Let me show you the quick example in code so that you will be understanding properly. Okay, suppose let me write one class over here. So this car example is of our previous interview question. Okay, so check out our interview preparation playlist so that you can prepare for your interviews. Let me quickly name it name as ABC. Okay, done. Now let me write one quick method over here, which is public void. Okay, method should be public only, right? Because we have to inherit that in another classes. If it is private, then we cannot. So I think you all must be aware of it. Suppose it is a parent method. So parent. Okay, so we are writing parent method. So let me check. Uh, Let me do as a and parent class method. Okay. Now let me quickly extend this class in a okay. So class XYZ extend ABC. Okay. So we're extending ABC in XYZ. Let me check one more method over here. Public void child. Okay. Now what we can do is give I am child class method. Okay, done. Now let us quickly play around it. We'll check different combinations. Class. Let us play around it. Let me quickly first of all write psvm public static void main string args. Okay. Now what we can do is, now let us play around it. Let me first create parent class object new. I have used reference variable as a. Now let me call parent specific method first. Okay, semicolon. And also let me try to call child specific method as well, which is child, correct? A dot child semicolon. Okay. So now what we'll do is, let us try to run it. It is showing me error, right? What is the error? Method child is undefined for the source type for the type ABC. Why we are getting this error? This is compile time error ABC, because we are using parent reference to call child specific method, which is not possible. Why? Because we have extended ABC to XYZ and not XYZ to ABC. That's the reason why we are not able to call this method. Okay, so let me quickly show you. Okay, if I remove this method, let me show you, run, and directly run this. Okay, done. Let me try to run JUnit, Java application. Okay, so let me quickly run this application. One sec. Okay, here you can see, right? I'm a parent class method. We have called parent class method, correct? Now let us quickly play around it. Let me quickly, let me just xyz x equals to new xyz. Semicolon. Now let me call parent method. Okay, you can see, right? We don't didn't got any error. So we can call parent specific method by using child reference. Also, let me call child specific method. Okay. Now let me try to run it. Here you can see, right? This is earlier result. So kindly ignore it. You can see, right? I am parent class method. I am child class method. Okay. So now you can see that using child class method, we can call, sorry, you can using child class reference, we can call parent class method. But by using parent class reference, we cannot call child class or child specific methods. That is the inheritance. So I hope everyone got the idea what is the inheritance, and you also got one conclusion that which is very very important. Okay, so you interviewers may ask that can we use child reference to hold parent objects, or can we use parent reference to hold child object? Okay, so which is not possible. You need to tell the interviewer. Also, let me know if you want to make if you want explanation for any other interview questions. Also kindly follow our series, in which we will provide you detailed PDF notes as well, so you can prepare for that. Also we upload daily videos on interview preparations for the pseudocodes, logical programming, as well as verbal ability. We are planning to verbal ability and reasoning also, we are planning to upload the videos. And also we upload daily job opportunity videos on our channel, so kindly follow our channel. Also share it with your friends so that they will also get help from it. Let also you can comment if you want to make us video on any particular topic. So we'll try to give you the explanations for that topics from the industry experts. So thank you, friends, and happy coding.